What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on CAT because this coin is for the past couple of days pumping absolutely like crazy. We had here a pump around like 100% of a net market in just 3 days, and also right now we are forming here several interesting trading setups that I want you to know about. So if you are interested about the exact trades that I'm planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 4-hour chart. Here I am watching two main areas, this bearish order block and this bullish order block. This bearish order block is between level 0.4504 and 0.4193, and then this bullish order block is between level 0.3830 and 3561. So right now I am watching here exactly two, in my opinion, really great trading opportunities. The first will be valid in case of a breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block. The support confirmation here is extremely important because you don't want to buy the fake out itself, because then there is pretty high probability of just a liquidity grab. But if we will see here breakout with the support confirmation, then this can be absolutely insane long opportunity. You can see that this coin is really new, and just let's say few weeks or like months ago was launched on a multiple exchanges. So if we take a look on the current bullish volume, I think there is pretty high probability that we can see here a huge pump. So as I said, entry will be above this bearish order block after a breakout and then a support confirmation. Stop loss in this case you want to place under this bearish order block, because if there will be breakdown with the resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down. So you don't want to hold your losing position longer than is necessary. And your last take profit target, well, this is actually pretty hard, because once we will break this previous high, which I think we definitely will once there is a support confirmation, we will get into a price discovery phase, which means that for the price it shouldn't be that big of a deal to do a bigger moves, because historically we don't have here any important resistances. So your last take profit target you need to place based on the risk reward ratio. In my opinion, you can aim with a trade like this for risk reward ratio around 10, which can be a potential profit around like 80% of a net market. Maybe you are thinking that this is a lot and this coin is not gonna do that, but if you take a look on the current market cap and on the current bullish sentiment that is about this coin, then I think that this is definitely possible. Of course, in this case you want to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you will, for example, take like under the level 0.500, because this will be like an important psychological resistance. Then for example somewhere like around this area, and then you need to save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, if you will take like 4 or 5 take profit targets, the risk reward ratio is going to be like 6.5, maybe 7, something like that, which is in my opinion a really great long scenario. So if you are looking for some trading scenario on this coin, this is definitely a first setup that you need to watch. Second interesting long scenario that I'm currently watching on this coin is associated with this bullish order block. In this case, I just don't want to see here a support confirmation, but I want to see here a liquidity grab under all of these previous important lows, and then a support confirmation in this bullish order block. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So entry, as I said, will be somewhere in this bullish order block after a support confirmation, and stop loss you need to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. So let's assume the stop loss will have like 7% of a net market, maybe 8, something like that. Your last take profit target, again in this case you will place into a price discovery phase, because yeah, there is in my opinion again pretty high probability that once there is a fake out with a support confirmation, we are gonna retest this bearish order block and perhaps a new all-time high. But the only difference with the previous trading scenario is that you want to take a large amount of the profits in this bearish order block, because still if there won't be a breakout with a support confirmation, this this will be really important resistance, so you want to take some of the profits here and then move your stop loss to entry or to a break even, so you can't turn your profitable position into a loss. The, let's say, remaining setup of this trade is exactly the same as with the previous setup, so you want to take some of the profit, let's say, under this level, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. You can again speculate for risk reward ratio around 10, or if you want, you can aim for like 100% of a net market, something like that. That's definitely up to you, because as I said, I think once there is a breakout with a support confirmation and we will get into a price discovery phase, then for the price it shouldn't be that big of a deal to do a bigger move. And you can see that, for example, from this launch, this coin already did a pump around like 2500% in what's the actual time frame. It's like 373 bars on like 4-hour chart. I don't see exactly the time frame, but you can see it was like not even a 3 months. So this is yeah, like absolutely crazy. So I think there is definitely a high probability then once we will see here this, we can do here another 100% pump. Maybe you are asking if there are currently some interesting trading opportunities on the higher time frame, but as I told you, this coin was launched not even 3 months ago on a multiple exchanges, so on a, let's say, higher time frame, we are not having here any interesting trading setups. You can perhaps buy the breakout of the current all-time high, so you can buy the breakout of the level like 0.046563, something like that, and in this case you simply need to place your stop loss against somewhere to like these levels, and you want to aim for really high risk reward ratio. That's something you can trade on a daily time frame, but me personally, I think that the best setups that you can currently take here are those two that I showed you on a daily chart. But yeah guys, if you want to know about all the setups that I'm taking right now, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, because I'm sharing there those analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. And also I will be really happy if you consider subscribe to this YouTube channel. So yeah guys, as I said, this will be all from me for today, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.